This bed frame is so elegant. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this beautiful bed frame. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. So this is a no box spring needed bed frame with a 60-inch tall headboard. And look at it. It is just beautiful. So my sister-in-law needed a bed frame, and this worked out perfect for her. We unboxed this. We carried it upstairs to assemble it. Assembly of this took us about 90 minutes, but to be fair, we were talking a lot during the assembly. I think if you just went for it, you could do it a lot faster. We had 2 people helping to put this together, technically 3 most of the time, but like I said, we were all talking and chit-chatty. You can kind of see here as we're doing this assembly. The instructions are pretty straightforward. Just go step by step, page by page, and slowly it starts to look like a bed frame. This actually comes with everything you're going to need for assembly, including the Allen wrenches, which is nice. Make sure you keep your screws together so you don't accidentally install the wrong length screws into the wrong spots. Ask us how we know about that. Like I said, we did do a lot of talking during this assembly. This bed is really nice and very sturdy. I love the big solid wooden legs on it. This is going to give you about 4 inches of space underneath the bed for you to put things. The mattress fit perfectly. The headboard is super soft and velvety. I love this like creamy white color that it is, and it really fit the room perfectly. It's elegant, it's sturdy, it's easy to assemble, and it looks awesome. We recommend this.